Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Dear students, I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant English Teacher of National Identity Version School. And now I am going to conduct an English language class for the students of class 1. And our today's topic is your spelling books, spelling set 4 and 5. So let's try to solve it. Dear students, this is spelling set 4 and this is 5. Set 4 is at page 8. So first of all, we have to read A. So in task A, what is written? Read the word list very carefully and learn the way the words are spelled well. Okay, that means you have to learn the spellings of these words. Okay, so let's read the words: sack, deck, leak, lock, suck, coconut, banana, rubber, palm, orange, cotton, was, said, you, your, there, ships, upon, which, where, they, what. Listeners, this was the words of task A, and now let's try to solve task B. In B, fill in the blanks with appropriate missing letters. That means you have to fill up these gaps with appropriate words, appropriate letters, and you have to choose or you will find that words here. So number 1, gap the door please. So here would be lock, L-O-C-K, lock. Number 2, was the cat lick his paw, L-I-C-K. Number 3, gap of wood chips, sack. Then number 4, once gap are time, once upon. Okay. Then number 5, gap are nice sweet. It would be they are nice sweet. Then 6, who gap that, who said that. Number 7, gap did you say, what did you say. Then number 8, gap you late. It would be were you late. Then number 9, it gave a very good film about cotton. So it was a very good film. Then number 10, the gap is tall. The palm is tall. Students, this is the answer of task B. And now task C. Read the sentences very carefully and fill in the blanks with the information which are hidden in the sentences. That means by reading all these sentences, you have to fill up these words and you will find the hints by reading these lines. So number 1, gives food and drink. So what will you what gives you food and drink? Coconut. You will get it here, C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Okay. Number 2, it belongs to you. So it would be ours, O-U-R-S. Okay. Dear students, on your book it's a mistake. So cut off the first letter of these two and you will make it ours. I am writing here O-U-R-S. Okay. Then number 3, the seaman stood on this. The seaman stood on this. That means it would be deck, D-E-C-K, deck. Then number 4, this you can suck. So it would be orange. And number 5, gap and ask a question. So to ask a question we use which, W-H-I-C-H. Students, this was all about set 4, A, B and C. And now we will solve set 5. So set 5A, what is written? Read the word list very carefully and learn the way the words are spelled well. Okay, so let's read all these words. Thin, this, that, them, thick, puppy, kitten, hare, bird, mouse, hen, out, one, where, only, with, wreck, was, there, into, upon, ship. So this was task A, and let's try to solve task B. Fill in the blanks with appropriate missing letters. So let's solve A. B. Number 1. Do you like game? Do you like game? Do you like them? THEM, them. So number 2. Will you come get them? With them, with me. Will you come with me? Then number 3. Can you come gap? Can you come gap? So dear students, I told you that you will find all these gaps word here. So at the last of this word you will get ut. So where is this ut? So you will get out, and so out, out would be here. Okay, by doing this you will be able to solve all this. Then number 4, the cat caught a gap, MO gap SE. So you will find it here, MOU. Okay, number 5, gap, this, gap is my sister. So there is my sister. Then number 6, the cat gap ill. The cat was ill. Number 7, is this the gap one? So is this the only one? Okay, so you will get only here. Number 8, the gap eats grass. The hare, you know that hare eats grass. Then number 9, the gap shank. The gap shank. Last of this word would be SIP. So you will get it here, ship. So SIP, ship. Number 10, who did gap? So it would be this, THIS, this. So this was all about task B. Dear students, now we will solve task C. Read the sentences very carefully and fill in the blanks with the information which are hidden in the sentences. That means set B, set 4 and 5, C all the same. So let's read the first sentence. Always ready to play. What is this? Puppy. PUPPY. Okay. Dear students, this answer would be puppy. Then 2. Was her case a ball? So it would be kitten. KITTEN. Number 3. You keep plates there. So it would be rack. So you will get rack here. Okay. Here. RACK. Although all the letters beside the gap is in capital letters, so you also will have to use capital letters here. So number 4, you find it on the sea. So what you find it on the sea? Shape. Number 5, gap means the same as slim. So it would be thin. Okay, dear students, this is all about today's class. I hope you all have understood set 4 and 5, and you have homework number 9. It's from spelling set 5's B. That means only these 10 are your homework. So I hope you all have understood today's class, and for your better understanding watch the video again and again. And this is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.